What's one of the best exercises out there that you see people using the worst technique for? Hi guys, my name's Ethan and welcome back to Shock Factor Fitness. The answer is the squat. It's one of the most commonly used exercises out there, and there's so many different variations of how you can do that exercise. The problem I've seen as a professional in the industry is that people do this exercise wrong in so many different ways, when it's really quite a simple exercise. So today guys, we're going to dive into how to do your squat, how to focus on having that correct technique, and all in 4 steps. Let's get started.
Alright guys, so step 1, first of all you need to stand with your feet at a shoulder's width apart with a strong upright posture. So that means keeping your chest nice and proud. Step 2 is as you move down into your squat, you're going to be sinking your hips backwards behind you whilst making sure that you keep your knees behind your toes. Step 3, we need to ensure that we keep the ball and the heel of our feet firmly placed on the floor with our toes curled up. Now this is going to make sure that we don't put any extra pressure through our knees that we don't need to. And lastly, step 4, movement control through the exercise. As you move through the exercise, make sure that you're squeezing your quads and your glutes whilst activating your core to ensure maximum control through the entire exercise. So to summarise that, chest proud, feet shoulders width apart, squat with your weight through the balls of your feet and your heels whilst controlling the movement.
And there you have it guys. So there's 4 steps of how to do a squat. One of the most basic exercises out there, but one of the most valuable exercises that you can keep in your arsenal as you're working out. Always remember guys, you need to keep control of the movement as you're doing it. Alright, there's no point rushing through an exercise if you're doing it with poor form and technique, because at the end of the day, you're not going to get bang for your buck when you're doing that exercise, and you're potentially going to hurt yourself. All the best, we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching Shock Factor Fitness. Don't forget to please like, subscribe, check out our Facebook page, and check out our website. See you next time.
You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out.